Osaki OS4000 installation. It comes with 4 main pieces. One lower base, which is the seat, one backrest, 2 side arms. It also comes with 1 cotter pin, 1 bolt for the backrest arm, 1 bolt for the control arm, 4 10mm bolts for the massage chair arms, and 1 10mm screwdriver. I also recommend having a pair of needle nose pliers around for the cotter pin, 1 headrest pillow cover, 1 chair installation guide, and 1 chair manual. To start the installation of the Osaki OS4000, we're going to be putting these 2 arms on this bar. Attach the arms to the bar and push down. Next, connect the hose. Next step, align the 2 bolts with the holes. Next, we're going to put the bolts on just like this. Remember, only tighten halfway. To the front bolt, simply unzip the zipper on the seat. Sometimes there's no tag on here, so a paper clip will work just as well. Go ahead and unzip it, lean the chair back, and there it is. Okay, we're going to do the same thing that we did in the back. On this one also, only tighten up halfway, because we're going to go in the back and tighten that one up all the way. Now that the back bolt and the front bolt are both tightened down, you can go ahead and zip the seat down. You're going to repeat the installation on the other side of the panel. On the bottom of the chair and the back, there's going to be a zip tie around styrofoam and tape. Go ahead and remove the zip tie and the styrofoam and tape. Before installing the headrest, you want to make sure you take out these 2 extra plugs. These plugs are in here to prevent dust from coming in the hoses during shipping. Simply pull them out. Now you're going to put the backrest bottom part in first, just like that. This is going to let us connect the hoses from the back. Next, we're going to connect our hoses to the back of the headrest. These are going to be labeled gray and white. To install the backrest, pick the backrest up. You're going to align the metal rod with the holder. After the backrest is installed, you want to go ahead and move these 2 wires out of your way. After that, you see your pin and your cotter pin. I use a needle nose plier to get it out. So let me pull the pin out. And on the bottom of the backrest, you want to bring this black little lever down. Attach it. Alright, when that's done, slowly move back the chair till it locks. After the backrest is done, plug in your black wire to the black plug and the gray wire to the gray plug. This is going to be your power cord. Simply plug in here, plug in your house outlet. This is your on/off switch. Connect the backrest pad. By taking the Velcro covers off, there's 4 of them. The bottom Velcro is going to go to the bottom part of the seat. Same for the top. Now that we have the backrest pad all Velcroed together, we're going to go ahead and zip up our backrest pad. There's going to be 2 zippers on it. The first one is going to be the headrest. Let's go ahead and zip that up. Right underneath that is going to be the zipper for the backrest pad. Zip that up. Remote controller installation. Pick the remote controller up. In the back you're going to see a bolt. Go ahead and loosen that up. You're going to go ahead and put that on the ball right there. Snug. Tighten. This is going to be the last thing to assemble on the OS 4000 massage chair. It's a headrest cover.